These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. Welcome to 30 trades in 30 days trading challenge. The rules for this challenge is very simple. We take one trade per day. If we win that, we stop the session. If we lose that, we double the amount on the next trade. Welcome everyone to today's trading session. I found the setup. This is a third touch breakout setup. But, the problem is that I don't have any other reason to add up. So I'm a bit skeptical about the setup. But I have a demand area down here, which is pretty far. And I can wait for this to come to my demand zone while breaking this third touch breakout. It's about to happen right now. Right. I have a lower time frame entry exactly right here. Okay, now the third touch breakout activated. Wait. Now I'm gonna let's go. Yeah, I took this trade. I tried to add the third touch breakout. Let me just mark this. Yeah, this is the first touch, second touch, third touch broken. Now I'm already expecting a green one, and I optimized my entry by finding lower time frame entry inside the demand area. Let's look at this. This is a major ranging market. The minor trend is also ranging. Yeah. The only thing that is against us is this gap up in the favor of sellers. But yeah, this is how I trade. It created this QM just like that one. Yeah, that was a winning trade. That was about today's trade. I want to announce that the free to join trading competition is started. You can join now. It's obviously free to join with free learning material and also reward for top 15 traders. This is a very great opportunity for those who cannot afford paid mentorship. And yeah, this is just gonna be great. Yeah, this was about today's trade. I basically combined the one of my setups, third touch breakout, with my entry from this demand zone. If I was entering immediately after this breakout, there was a chance of getting a losing trade because we never trade based on one concept. We try to combine different concepts to have much higher chance to win a trade. Okay, I hope you enjoyed, man. Thank you for watching and peace out.